How to make your health and fitness coaching website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here we can see a wide range of templates that we can choose from that can help us build our website. So these templates are pre-made templates. We can just drag and drop some elements, change the header and the footer, change some texts, and then we will have our website ready for going public. Also, we have here the blank template for people that like to build their own website from scratch. So here you can choose this one if you want to build your website from scratch. If not, if you want to save your time and to choose a template that can help you build your own website, you can just choose from these pre-made templates. So here we can filter by the type of the website, if it's an online store or a memberships or a services website, or if you want to filter by the topic, if it's an art and if it's about art and design or photography or food or entertainment or health and fitness, which is our niche. So let's go with fitness to see what are the templates that we have in the platform. So as we can see here, we have this one, which is the Kolima template, another one, and also another one, the blank template I talked about before. Also some other templates about fitness. So we can just choose the one that we find most suiting us in these ones. So I'm going to choose the Kolima template. So I'm just going to click on preview Kolima, which is the name of the template, and then I'm going to click on view demo site to see the website in full width, then to decide if I'm going to go with this one or choose another one. So I think this one suits me, so I'm just going to close this tab and then click on start with this design, and I will wait for them to set things up for me. After that, they will request a title for my website. Sorry for that, guys. Needed to clear my throat. So here you will be asked about a title for our website. We can skip that part if you're not interested in giving it a title, but for me, I'm just going to type a title, which is the name of my niche, which is health and fitness coaching, to know the website that I created. So I'm just going to type in my title and then close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. And then in your left you will see a various sections, as you can see. So I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you. So the first one is website. It's where you can create pages or change the ones that you already have. You can adjust them or delete them if you want that by this button in here, this small button. It looks like a trash button, so you can delete the pages from here or adjust them. Let's go back home and let's proceed to the next section, which is commerce. It's where you can add products to your page or to your website, or where you can adjust them, or you can also control your orders, inventory, customers, discounts from this page. Also, you can choose the ways to get paid and change the ways that you want to get paid, from products to subscription plans, or also memberships or custom merch. So you can change all that in there. Let's go back and let's proceed to the marketing section, which is pretty obvious for the name. It's everything that is related to grow in your audience. As you can see, grow your audience. So here you have the email campaigns, profiles, SEO appearance, promotional pop-up, announcement bar, and your pixels and ads. Let's go back home, and here we have the scheduling, which is where we can set our calendar for our customers that want to book appointments or meetings with us. So we can set our availability time. We can also change the design of our calendar or the page that will make people book appointments with us. So we can change all that in here. So here we can create our appointment types, we can set our availability, design our scheduling page, and then share the scheduling page after it's done. So you can do all that in this section. So let's go back home and let's proceed to the next section, which is the asset library. It's basically where you can save your files and images to reuse them while designing your website. And then the analytics section, it's where you have your dashboard, where you can see your sales, traffic, geography, conversion rate, your orders, your revenue, and stuff like that. Then let's go back home, and here we have the profiles. It's where you can check the profiles of your customers or audience or your members. Then last but not least, we have settings. Also we have help, but it's obvious for asking questions if you have any problems. And settings, it's for setting your domain name, your Google Workspace, changing the site's availability from private to public, and also permissions, changing the site languages. And if you want to set your store payments or your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account, your PayPal account, or your Square account if you are from the United States only. And also you can change the store's currency from this button right there. So let's go back to settings and go back home. Then let's go to the editing phase. It's basically where we can edit everything about our template, from the header to the footer down in the bottom. So here this page will expand to give us more space to control our design for the template. And here we can edit the site's header and the inside of the template. As you can see, we can change pretty much everything down to the bottom. We can also change the footer. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share the video if you find it useful.